Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter passwords and security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got three types of password: pattern, pin and password. Firstly, let's select pattern. And connect at least 4 dots. Tap confirm. And now you can use your pattern to unlock the phone. Next, let's select pin. And enter at least 4 digits and maximum 16 digits. And now let's use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select password. Containing at least 4 characters. Let me select pattern one more time. And then we can proceed to biometrics. Firstly, let's select fingerprint unlock. Got it. And now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select face unlock, and now simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.